Want to start earning points on PrizeRebel? Here's how. To start, take the site tour, the Earning Methods tour, and fill out your profile for easy points. Follow us on social media. We're always giving out special promo codes and holding exclusive contests. Completing offers. Offers usually involve completing a specific action on another site, such as clicking on a banner on another site and signing up for the site. Completing surveys. A large portion of points earned by our members is from online surveys. These surveys are conducted by market research companies that want your opinions on a subject they are testing. Fill out the profile questionnaire. Not only will you get surveys best suited for you, you'll also get some additional points. Watching videos. One of the best and easiest ways to earn points is by watching videos. We have several video partners, so you'll never run out of fun videos to watch. Now that you know the best way to earn points, sign up now!
One of the best and easiest ways to earn points is by completing offers. Let's go over an example offer. First, head over to the Offers section by clicking Earn on the Navigation tab, and then by clicking Offers. You will see a list of our current offers, the amount of points you can earn, as well as the instructions for completing the offer. Once you have picked an offer, click the name, and you will be taken to the offer website. Make sure you read the offer description carefully. Most offers require you to complete registration or sign up for a service until the thank you page. Once you have completed the offer, you can close the browser window or tab. You can see your points on the top right of the navigation bar. To see all of your earned points, you can click on your name and then click My Earning History. Now you're well on your way to earning points. Good luck! If you have any questions, please visit our FAQ or click Get Help. Another great way to earn points is through surveys. We have multiple market research providers that are looking for your opinion. To get started, click on Earn on the Navigation tab and then click on Surveys. You will see a list of survey providers on this page. Simply choose one to get started. We may ask you for some personal information. Rest assured that this information is used only to match you to relevant surveys. You must take your time with each survey and provide truthful and thoughtful answers. Surveys will only credit if you reach the thank you page. Once you've reached the thank you page, you should receive your points within 24 hours. To see points earned, you can click on your name and then click My Earning History. If you get disqualified, don't worry. This can happen from time to time. It may happen if the market research company is no longer looking for users like yourself. Simply try a different survey and don't be discouraged. Surveys are ever-changing, so be sure to check back every day. Now you are well on your way to earning points. Good luck! If you have any questions, please visit our FAQ or click Get Help.
If you're ready to take action now, please click on the link below this video for more information.